Many feel nervous about their first microsuction appointment. In reality, it's a straightforward, controlled process designed around your comfort and safety. The appointment begins with a discussion of your symptoms, followed by a careful ear canal examination using specialized, magnified equipment. Unlike older methods, microsuction uses gentle suction to remove wax precisely under direct visual guidance. No water or pressure is required. The process is gradual and precise. Most people feel little to no discomfort, hearing only soft suction sounds as wax is removed layer by layer. Afterward, many notice an immediate improvement in hearing clarity. It's a quick, clean, and effective way to restore your ear health. Microsuction is the safest way to remove earwax. Don't live with discomfort. Book your professional appointment today.